What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about two stocks today for Mr. VAC. We're talking about AG and GLDG for you, sir. So hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more little silver mining stock, gold mining stock action today. Looking at AG on the daily. Looks like you had some negative earnings. Yes, a little bit. That's okay. Oversold zone right now. Gap down, filled the gap today. Perhaps that's it, and you move down potentially lower. You could move a little bit higher as well. In an accumulation zone, yes, definitely in an accumulation zone at the low points of it. If you move lower, you might not move lower than the current weekly lows that you have. And if you do move lower than the current weekly lows, I would say you don't move down by that much, right? You're probably at the point where it's actually a really good time to buy. This week looks green, looks very green, but really you're still down 1.38% this week. So definitely not a bad opportunity, in my opinion. This could be one of those very rare circumstances. Look at you right on your 886 too. That is such a nice look, man. Especially, it would be a really nice look if you can get back above 546. You're at 499. This is your goal. If you want this to be your low, but before you go lower, you need to get above 546. You get above 546 and stay above there. You close the day above there. I'd be convinced that's your low. I'd be very convinced that's your low. It's pretty convincing now that you're up above your 786, but there needs to be more. It's not convincing enough. Absolutely, you could go lower. Absolutely, you could see prices down at 344 or 270. Absolutely, you could, yes. But I don't think you will. But you could, but I don't think you will. In an area that you've liked to find support before historically. That's nice. Oh, and look at you. Let's put a line right here. Let's put a line. Let's just do it for funsies. And go back in time, see what you bounced off of here. Take a little stroll. Key area of support around there. Around the areas of resistance here, you know, support area there. Resistance, yes, and kind of in the middle of this zone here. I'd say it's somewhat of a key area of support, especially with this low to high 886 coming in right there. Definitely a nice look. Let's look at the daily RSI. I feel like I had something I wanted to say and I can't remember what it was. Daily RSI is not looking the best. You need to get above that 618, man. You really do. And I mean, if I put this in here, the 618 is basically going to be in the same area, right? Or no, it'd be the 382 that's in the same area, right? But it's a little bit lower. 236, yeah, yep, same thing, man. Get above. Actually, no, that's the 69, not the 618. Get above 546. Get above there. That's all I got to say for this one. Will you get up there? I don't know. I'm not completely convinced. I feel comfortable enough calling that a low, but not until you get above the 618. That's really my best thing that I could say. I don't feel one way or another that it's going up or down, so I'm just giving you kind of hope here. However, if you do close a day below 452, you can count on it. You can bet all the candy in your candy bowl that you're moving down to 344 or 270. Yeah, down there. Maybe lower. Anyways, that was supposed to be a downward shaped arrow, right? But I drew it almost like a half finished star. Anyways, that's AG, yes. Over time, probably moves up because it is a silver miner. Looks somewhat productive over time. I don't know. Looking at this, I would think that you're near your low as well. But anyways, that's AG. GLDG, Gold Mining Inc., also kind of has that similar look. Are they owned by the same people? I don't know, but similar kind of look. Consolidation. It's like its whole chart existence is consolidation. I don't mind the monthly RSI. I don't mind the weekly RSI either, actually. Man, 2 days, 17 hours left. You got 3 days left in the week. If you could close this week above here, here's your goal. It's a lot closer. Close this week above here. Above 82.2 cents. You're at 81.29 cents. Now close this week not even a whole cent higher, but near enough, right? And that'd be nice because you'd have a lower low in your RSI while maintaining a... Oh, actually, that is a lower low right there. Never mind. I was going to say this low, that low, it'd be a lower low than this low here, right? You'd have a higher low at that point if you close with a lower low in the RSI. That'd be nice. Still, either way, though, you are at kind of like the relative low points of this consolidation zone, right? Definitely at the low points there. This kind of looks like a fake out, in my opinion, especially with the way you've interacted. Looks like a green week, but really you're down 0.87%. So I would stand by it. Your goal this week really is to close above these weekly lows here. I'm going to exit this. I didn't mean to do that there. So close above, what is it, 82.2 cents? 82.23 cents. Close above there. That's your goal. Daily RSI at its low point would suggest that you go higher, so that's nice, but could suggest that you go lower as well, so time will tell. I don't feel comfortable one way or another as well. In fact, I would almost feel more comfortable calling for it to go to the downside, but something's telling me that it's not going to. So I'm going to call for it to go to the upside. Let's look for that close above 82.23 cents on any given day this week. It would really nice to be this week. I think that would be crucial from a high to a low point here, which you literally just bounced off of. You could be moving your way up to this 382 at $1.30 or higher over time. So, and that'd be a big deal, because then at that point, right, if you were to move up here, that would kind of look like you're breaking out of this trend down, right? It would look like that. So that could get bigger things afterwards, right? Who knows? But current goal, 82.23 cents. Next goal, $1.28, and then from there we can talk. So that's that. Hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.